Hi, Joe Cambrato, CEO and founder of National Business Capital. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about getting a term loan for your hospitality business. So just to be clear, a term loan is when you borrow a set amount of money, typically with a set cost and a set repayment structure. A few things that you really need to understand is there's bank lending and non-bank lending. And in the world of business lending today and term loans for your business, it's really just changed so much. And most people in the hospitality business are getting their financing from non-bank lenders. Most business owners will go to a bank and they get frustrated. Why am I not getting approved? In the hospitality business especially, there's not a lot of focus from banks in this sector unless you're buying a restaurant or a hotel with the real estate attached to it. Banks look at your personal and business credit, they look at profit, and they look at cash flow. In the beginning, if you're just getting started, maybe you challenge your credit, but even if your credit's excellent, profits get eaten up because you're reinvesting it for growth, or you don't have collateral coverage. There's like three pieces of collateral that banks will consider. One is the obvious, it's real estate. The second is machinery and inventory. And then the third is B2B receivables. Now the challenge with those last two, the inventory that you have in your restaurant is typically food and alcohol. You can't use it as collateral. And the machinery is usually restaurant equipment, which in a bank's eyes is not really collateral that they want. And then B2B receivables, you don't have any, typically in the hospitality business, people are coming in, they're eating in your restaurant, they're staying at your hotel, and then they pay and they leave. There's no AR, there's no receivables. So if you don't have any of those things and you don't have collateral coverage, and the reality is a bank is not going to lend to you. You may get a local business-focused banks that understand you, your restaurant. If you're a really big group, you've got a lot of profitable businesses, you own the real estate to each one of those restaurants. A local bank may work with you, but for the most part, it's not reality for most folks in the hospitality space. There are a number of non-bank lenders out there that offer term loan products. They're great products. They're a lot easier to get than a bank. And rates have actually come down as bank rates have come up. So it's a really interesting time. Whether you have challenge credit or excellent credit will really make up the different lender that you can work with. Whether you're profitable or not profitable will also make up that lender. And then also, what are you looking to use money for and how much money are you looking for will also make up the different lender that you can work with. I found the National to really solve this issue, take the time and aggravation and frustration of trying to find the right lender. We have 75 lenders all in one place. We've helped secure over $2 billion in funding. And the whole goal of why I created my company was to help you access capital, do it fast, and get approved for the most amount of money that you can. Term loan's a great product. Typically in hospitality, it's a 12 to 24 month type of a term. We can look at an SBA product that goes out to a 10-year term. But if you're looking to buy equipment, restaurant equipment, even the tables and chairs, all that stuff can be financed by equipment lenders. And that usually can be financed over 2, 3, and 5-year terms with really good rates and monthly payments. You also may want to consider a line of credit depending on what you're looking to use your money for. So I don't know if you're looking to expand the restaurant, then a term loan could be a really good product because you can pay it back over a longer period of time. You know exactly what your payment is. You may want a line of credit for seasonality issues or to take advantage of buying bulk alcohol or food purchases when you need it. So there's a few different products that could make a lot of sense for you and your business, but it all depends on your need. The great thing about working with my team at National Business Capital is you can call us, you can ask us questions, we can go over all this stuff. We're not salesy, we're here to help you. I've got an awesome, knowledgeable team. We're just about 100 people. We really understand all the different lender guidelines, and we're here to make your life easier, to save you time, and to get you approved, get you your money, so you can stay focused on your business and not have to shop around from lender to lender. Give us a call or click that Apply Now link in order to get started. Thanks for tuning in, keep growing, and I wish you nothing but success.